This question says a bullet of mass m moving with velocity v strikes a suspended wooden block of mass capital M in which it gets embedded. If the block rises to a height h, the initial velocity of the block just after the bullet hits it will be. So it says a bullet of mass m with a velocity strikes a wooden block which is suspended. So I have a wooden block which is suspended. The bullet comes, gets embedded into it, and the wooden block rises to a height h. Right. Now, if the wooden block rises to a height h, the velocity of the wooden block, we know if this is h, v should be equal to how much? Root 2gh. That is from conservation of energy. So that means the total kinetic energy at the lowest point, that is mass plus mass of the block into v square, is converted into potential energy at the highest point. So when I solve this, I'll end up with v equal to how much? Root 2gh. This is one thing that we know. Now what does it say? Now let's use conservation of momentum. If u is the initial velocity of bullet, then m into u should be equal to m plus m into root 2gh. So from this, what is u equal to? It is m plus m into root 2gh by small m. Again, when we have questions of this kind, now be careful about capital M and small m. So capital M plus small m by small m into root 2gh. So the right answer for this is option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.